Hey guys, nope, not working on the road truck today. We're going to work on the other Dodge. See the difference between the lenses? That's a newer lens and that's an older lens. Pretty faded out. Well, I was going to replace it, but on the good note, it recently went out. So let's see what we can do here and change this out. It's arrived today in the mail. I checked Advance, Auto Parts, AutoZone. They're wanting $60 for a whole lamp. I found this on eBay, and the eBay subscriber had 5 stars out of like 3,000 sales. So I figured he's probably pretty good. Yeah, probably made in Taiwan. But here's the lamp. I'm gonna insert that. It already comes with a bulb, so that's kind of cool. But I do need a bulb for this one, so I may use the old blinker bulb for that. So we got an 06 Dodge Caravan here, and looks like you'll need Phillips for these, and 10mm metric for the air cleaner or air filter. Pop that off and it should slide off. So when you do this, 2 little things here. The blinker side, which is right here, just turns like so and pops out. And then this one here, you gotta pry these back a little bit. You pry these back to get over this little lip. This little lip. Be real gentle though, because it is lovely plastic. But I'm trying to do this with one hand, but this was here like that, and it clips on that little clip. But you gotta pry it back with your screwdriver very carefully, and all you need to do is one side, and then it just pops out. Okay, so all you have to do is, this is the new one. This just clips in here, there. Here's the blinker one. That one slides there and just turns, and that is secured. And this will slide through here, this little piece on top, and it should line up. It should line up, no problem. Again, I'm doing this one-handed. There. And there's your holes. They all line up. And then I just got to put the screws back in. And then down here is where you adjust the beam light. You just turn that in and it'll show the beam right and left. And we have success. We have a working light. Looks a lot better than it did before. Thanks for watching.